Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast, episode 67, talking about life as parents. I'm Lily, and sitting right next to me is my good friend, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone listening. Today, we're going to talk a lot about what it's really like to be a mom or a dad. It's exciting, it's tiring, it's funny, it's beautiful, everything at the same time. Lily, to start with something warm, do you still remember the exact moment you first saw your son's face?
Oh, Ben, of course I do. It feels like yesterday and 100 years ago at the same time. It was very early in the morning. The lights in the hospital room were soft. I was scared, excited, tired, all mixed together. Then the nurse placed this tiny, warm baby on my chest. He had dark hair, closed eyes, and he made the smallest cry. I started crying too, happy tears. My heart felt so big it almost hurt. That second changed me forever. How about you? Tell us about your daughter's birth.
My story is a bit different. She arrived late at night. The hospital was quiet. My wife was so strong. When the doctor lifted her up, she opened her eyes right away and looked straight at me. Those big, dark eyes. I felt like the whole world stopped. I was proud, I was terrified, I was in love instantly. I thought, this little girl is mine to take care of now. It's a feeling you can't explain until it happens to you.
Yes, exactly. That feeling stays with you. My son is 3 years old now. When I look at baby photos, I can't believe he was ever that small. His hands were like little stars. Do your children grow too quickly as well?
Way too quickly. My older one, my boy, just turned 5. I still remember when he couldn't walk, and now he runs everywhere and asks a million questions. My little girl is 2.5. She talks all day long. Daddy, see bird, bird fly, sky blue, why blue? She points at clouds, trees, cars, everything. It's adorable, but by the end of the day, my ears are tired.
I understand completely. My son discovered the word why about 6 months ago, and now it's his favorite word. Why sky blue? Why dog bark? Why I can't fly? Sometimes I don't know the answers, so I say, good question, let's find out together. It makes learning fun for both of us.
That's a smart way. Kids ask the deepest questions in the simplest words. I love it. It forces me to think and explain things clearly. Okay, let's talk about mornings, because mornings with small children are like a small war sometimes, right?
A very loud, messy war. My alarm is set for 6:40, but my son usually wakes up at 6:15. He runs into our bedroom, climbs on the bed, and shouts, "Mommy, time wake up, play cars." I pretend to sleep a little longer, just 2 more minutes, but he pulls my blanket and laughs. So I get up. First job, change his diaper or potty time. Then wash his face. He closes his eyes so tight like it's the worst thing ever. Brushing teeth is another battle. He makes monster faces in the mirror to avoid the toothbrush.
My mornings are almost the same. At 6:05, I hear Daddy from the baby room. I go in, lift my daughter from her crib. She always smells sweet, like baby lotion and milk. She hugs my neck right away. Then diaper change. She kicks her legs like she's swimming. After that, we go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast while she sits in her high chair and sings made-up songs.
What do you make for breakfast?
Usually oatmeal with fruit. I cut banana into circles. She calls them yellow moons. Or toast with peanut butter and apple slices. My son likes scrambled eggs. He says eggs sunny side like smile. We sit together at our little kitchen table. Someone always spills something, juice, milk, cereal, but we just laugh and clean it up.
Spills are part of life now. My son once poured an entire cup of water on his plate to make a lake for his dinosaur. Water everywhere. I said, okay, lake time is over. Let's dry the table. No anger, just another adventure.
Exactly. Messes become stories later. After breakfast, we have playtime before kindergarten or work. We build big towers with wooden blocks. My kids love to make them as tall as possible, then knock them down. Boom! They scream with joy. The louder the crash, the happier they are.
My son builds rocket ships and castles for dragons. He adds toy cars and animals. Mommy, look, dragon lives here. I say, wow, what a strong castle. Then we pretend the dragon flies around the room. We make whooshing sounds together.
Pretend play is the best. It helps their imagination grow so much. We also read books every single morning, even if it's only 10 minutes. My daughter loves animal sound books. The cow says moo, the sheep says baa. She copies perfectly now. My boy likes adventure stories, pirates, trains, dinosaurs. He points at pictures and tells me what happens next.
Reading together is so powerful. My son knows many words from books now. He sees a picture of a red apple and says, "Apple is red and yummy." I add, "Yes, and it's healthy too. It makes you strong." Small sentences, new words every day.
Perfect. Now, getting dressed and ready. My 5-year-old chooses his own clothes. Yesterday, he wore a superhero t-shirt, dinosaur shorts, and mismatched socks. I said, "You look very creative today." He was proud.
Creative is the right word. My 3-year-old picks socks. He always wants one striped and one with stars. Super feet, he says. Then we pack the bag for kindergarten or activities. Water bottles, small snack, favorite toy for comfort.
Comfort toy is important. My daughter has a soft bunny she carries everywhere. If she forgets it, big drama. After dropping my son off at kindergarten, I come back and play with my little one. We dance to children's music. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. She touches every part and giggles when we go fast.
Music makes everything better. In the car, we sing "The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round." My son knows every verse. Doors open and shut. Horn goes beep, beep, beep. Babies go wah, wah, wah. He does all the actions with his hands.
We sing it 10 times a day sometimes. Okay, let's move to lunch. Food can be tricky with little ones.
Very tricky if they are picky. My son refuses anything green. Broccoli looks at him like an enemy. So I make green monster sauce, blended spinach in pasta sauce. He eats it and says, "Yummy monsters." Sneaky mom trick.
Clever. My daughter eats almost anything, but my boy only wants plain pasta or bread. I keep offering new things in small amounts. Just one tiny bite of carrot. Sometimes he surprises me and likes it. No pressure. Pressure makes it worse.
Yes, never force. We eat as a family whenever possible. No TV, no phones, just talking. What made you smile today? I played tag with friends. Those little conversations make them feel important.
They do. Dinner is our cozy time. Sometimes we cook together. My son stands on a chair and stirs soup with a big wooden spoon. "I'm the soup boss," he announces. Even if he adds too much pepper, we eat it proudly.
We make pizza together sometimes. He puts cheese and tomato, circle cheese for son. It's messy, but the pizza tastes better because he helped.
Teamwork in the kitchen is fun. After dinner, bath time. My kids love water. Bubbles up to their chins, toy boats, rubber ducks. Duck says quack quack, splash splash everywhere. Then we dry them, put on soft pajamas, and read one lost story.
Our bedtime is calm too. Warm bath with lavender soap, then story under the blanket. I read slowly with a quiet voice. His eyes get heavy. When he sleeps, I kiss his forehead and whisper, "Sweet dreams, my love." Quiet house feels like a reward.
It really does. We sit on the couch for a few minutes, drink tea, and just breathe. Tired bodies, full hearts.
Full hearts. That's the perfect way to say it. Weekends feel different. No hurry. We wake up late, still in pajamas. Breakfast is special. Fluffy pancakes with honey, strawberries, whipped cream. We make smiley faces with fruit.
Pancake art. My kids help draw eyes with blueberries. Happy pancake. Then we go to the park. Swing, slide, sand pit. My daughter collects leaves. Leaf for mommy. My son runs after balls. Fresh air, sunshine, laughter. Best medicine.
We love nature walks too. Forest path, look for pine cones, listen to birds, tweet, tweet. My son imitates every sound. Sometimes we have a picnic. Blanket on grass, sandwiches, juice boxes, cookies, simple happiness.
Picnics are magic. We also visit grandparents. They give extra hugs, extra stories, and extra candy. Grandparents are like superheroes for kids.
They really are. Grandmas know the best lullabies. Now, harder parts. Tantrums happen. My son sometimes lies on the floor and cries because the wrong sock or I want big cup, not small.
Oh yes, my daughter throws dramatic floor shows too. I breathe deeply, get on her level, and say calmly, I see you're upset. Can you tell me why? Sometimes she can't explain yet, so we hug and wait. Hugs fix a lot.
Hugs are powerful. Or we count together. 1, 2, 3, big breath. It helps everyone calm down. Distraction also works. Look, a butterfly. Suddenly, tantrum forgotten.
Butterflies save the day often. We also teach sorry and forgiveness. If I raise my voice because I'm tired, later I say, I'm sorry I shouted, I love you. They learn it's okay to make mistakes.
Very important. Nobody is perfect parent. We try, we learn, we love more every day. Holidays make it extra special. Birthdays, balloons floating, cake with candles, happy birthday to you. My son's last birthday was space theme, rocket cake, star cookies. His eyes were shining.
We had mermaid party for my girl. Blue cake, glitter, seashell decorations. She wore a tail and swam around the living room.
Magical. Christmas, we decorate tree together. Kids hang ornaments, some high, some very low. Lights twinkling, music playing, hot chocolate with marshmallows. Pure joy.
New Year's Eve, we make paper wishes. I wish everyone happy and healthy. Simple but meaningful.
Yes, and small gifts. New book, puzzle, soft toy. The excitement on their faces is the real present.
Now, for new parents or future parents listening, our little advice list.
Listen whenever the baby sleeps. Your rest matters.
Accept help. Family, friends, neighbors, it's not weakness, it's smart.
Take thousands of photos. One day you'll look back and smile.
Laugh at the chaos. Spilled juice today is a funny story tomorrow.
Tell your children I love you many times every single day. They never get tired of hearing it.
Be present. Put the phone away sometimes. Look into their eyes.
And the most important, enjoy every stage. Baby, toddler, kindergarten, it all passes so quickly. Cherish the small moments.
So true. Today we shared a lot. Pregnancy memories, crazy mornings, food battles, playtime, bedtime routines, weekends, holidays, hard moments, and lots of love.
We used easy words and phrases. Curious, patient, proud, tantrum, picky eater, cherish, teamwork, balance, self-care, forgive, imagination, connection.
Try them. Talk about your day in English. Even if you live alone, talk to yourself or a pet. Or imagine you're a parent and describe it. Small practice every day makes big progress.
You're doing wonderfully. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep thinking in English.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope you smiled, maybe remembered your own childhood, or felt encouraged if you're raising little ones.
See you in the next episode. Take care, stay warm, and give someone you love a big hug today.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.